Hello students, welcome back to the new session of our maths workbook, Jugs and Mugs workbook part 4. So previous video I had explained the page number 63. I hope everybody had done converting liter to milliliter, milliliter to liter, etc. So today you can take page number 64. I hope everybody had opened page number 64. Fill in the blanks column you can see here. Look at on the screen. Some pictures are given. That is some capacity, some containers are given. And the clue is also given here. And with the help of that, we have to answer the blanks. So here first one, see. Fill in the blanks. If this 2-liter jug, if we want to fill in these type of glasses, then in each glass how much quantity can be filled? Total will be 2 liter. So how many glasses are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So our question is, if 4 glasses using this 2 liter, we can fill each glass how much quantity. So what we will do here? Here answer is in milliliter given and jug capacity given 2 liter. So liter we will first convert into milliliter. So 2 liter meaning is 2000 milliliter. Then how many glasses given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the method? This 2 liter we will write 2000 milliliter divided by, that means upon 4. How many number of glasses given? That we can use for division. Now division easy method is cancellation. So 4 will go in 20 5 times and remaining 2 zeros are there, that you write. So what answer is getting? 500. So 1 glass capacity is 500 ml. Look at that whether our answer is correct or not. 500 plus 500, 1000, that is 1 liter. 1 liter plus 500, 1500 plus 500, 2000. So we got answer 2000, that means 2 liter. So 1 glass capacity is 500 ml. Now second one, if this container, this fruity is 600 ml, and if it will fill in these glasses, 1, 2 and 3 glasses are given. So what is the capacity of 1 glass? How much quantity of that juice can fill in 1 glass? So here 600 ml and here also ml. So no need of changing anything. So what we will do? Total quantity is 600 divided by how many number of glasses given? 1, 2 and 3. So divided by 3. So we can cancel it. 3 will go in 6 2 times and remaining 2 0 right on the right side. So the answer is getting 200. So 1 glass capacity or 1 glass can fill 200 ml. So whether our answer is right or not, you see 200 plus 200, 400, 400 plus 200, 600. So our answer is right. So each glass capacity is 200 ml. Now see, if this bucket can fill 8 liter of water, if we will take these jars or jugs, how much can fill in 1 jug? How many jugs are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jugs are given and total quantity will be 8 liter. And here question, here the blanks given milliliter. So what we will do? We have to equalize both the units. So here liter we will convert into milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. So 8 liter equal to 8000. And how many jugs are given? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8000 upon 4. How many jugs are given? That we will divide it. So 4 will go in 8 2 times. And remaining 3 0 right on the right side. So what we will get answer? 2000 milliliter. 2000 milliliter means 2 liter. So check it. This 2000 milliliter means 2 liter. If you will take 2 liter, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Our answer is correct. 8 liter. Now next one. This can will fill 10 liter. Generally this is oil cans. So 10 liter is there. If we will fill these packets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 packets, what will be the capacity? 10 liter is totally there and 5 packets if we want to fill equally. So what will be that? Here the answer is asked in milliliter and question is given in liter. So again liter we will convert into milliliter. 1 liter equal to 1000. So 10 liter equal to 10,000. 10,000 upon how many number of packets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5. That means upon 5. So 5 will go in 10 2 times. Remaining 3 zeros are there that you write on the right side. So the answer is getting 2000 milliliter. So check 2000 milliliter means 2 liter. So whether our answer is right or not, you can check. 2 liter plus 2 liter, 4 liter, 4 liter plus 2, 6 liter, 6 liter plus 2, 8 liter, 8 liter plus 2, 10 liter. So our answer is right. So this way we can, with the help of these figures, we can fill up the answer. Only thing, if both the sides different units are given, equalize the unit and then you can do it. I hope you had followed this. Now next question, word problem. So first question, already solution I had done here. First I will read the question. Madan has 1 liter mango juice. So one boy is having 1 liter mango juice. He shared it with his friend Rohan. So his friend also came, so he had given some quantity of mango juice to Rohan. If Rohan drank 400 milliliter of mango juice, then how much juice is left with Madan? So total 1 liter and the friend has taken 400 milliliter. So what is the first step? Liter part we will convert into milliliter. So 1 liter meaning is 1000 milliliter. So mango juice had how much? 1 liter. 1 liter meaning is 1000 milliliter. Mango juice given to that Rohan. He drank how much? 400 milliliter. So our question is how much juice is left with Madan. So mango juice left equal to 1000 minus 400. You see here how I had done. Why 1000 we had taken? Because second part is in milliliter, first part is in liter. So liter part also we will convert into milliliter for calculation. So 0 minus 0, 0. Again 0 minus 0, 0. Here 0 and here 4. So we will borrow from 1, make it 10 and this 1 becomes 0. So 10 minus 4 equal to 6. So how much quantity of juice is left with Madan? 600 ml. And check whether your answer is correct or not. Yesterday I had explained second number and answer we will plus, we will get the first number. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 6 plus 4, 10. So our answer is right. So how much quantity of juice is left with Madan? 600 ml. So turn the page, next to the 65 page number. Here one activity given. With the reading of this activity, we have to answer the following question. So here also there is less place. So solution I had done separately. First I will read the question. So this is the question given. Ramesh kept a record of water usage in his juice corner, which is as follows. So Ramesh is a shopkeeper and he is having juice corner, and daily he is using some quantity of water for various activities. Which activities here he is using? For shop cleaning 4 liter is using. Water added in juice 8 liter, and for glass cleaning 12 liter. So first cleaning 4, juice preparing 8, and glass cleaning 12. So total we can plus it and see. So 2 plus 8, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, carry over 1, 1 plus 1, 2. So 24 liter of water he is using every day. So with the help of this clue, you have to answer the following question. So next question you can see it here. Answer the following question. Just to see that. So here there is no place in your workbook, so I had taken separately and done the calculation. So you can also see how I had done the calculation. How much, first question, answer the following questions related to that. How much amount of water is used in one day? You can see just now in the box given 3 activities. He is using 4 liter he is using for shop cleaning, juice preparing 8 liter, cleaning the glass 12 liter. So what will be the total quantity of water used in a day? 4 plus 8 plus 12 equal to 24 liter. Now question number 2 in that. How much water will be used in the month of April? So a different month is having different days. So April month is having 30 days. So one day he is using 24 liter. So 30 days, how much quantity? 24 multiplied by 30. So look at the method I had written. 24 we can split and write 20 and 4. And 30 we can write like that only. So first multiply with this number, we will multiply this group. So here 1 0, here also 1 0. So both the 0 write on the right side. Now with non-zero number we can multiply 2 3s are 6. So the answer will be 600. Now with this number we have to multiply this. For that first we will write 0 here. 30 multiplied by 4. So 4 zeros are 0. 3 4s are 12. So the number will get 120. Now what is the next step? We will plus these two. 600 plus 120. 0 plus 0 0. 2 plus 0 2. 6 plus 1 7. So the answer is 24 multiplied by 30 equal to 720 liters. In this place you can write only answer, but this method you do in rough paper or in your notebook and then find out the answer, then write in the workbook place. Because everything you can't do in the workbook, there is no place. Now question number 3. How much water will be used in one leap year? What is the meaning of leap year? You might have studied last year. The year which is having 366 days, that is in the month of February, 29 days are coming. Such years are called leap year. So every 4th year is a leap year. So here, if that particular year is one leap year, then 366 days are there. One day he is utilizing 24 liter. So 366 days, how much water is using? So look at here, 366 multiplied by 24. Directly you are not able to multiply, so I had shown the method. In previous chapters you had studied how to multiply them. So 366 we can split and write 300 plus 60 plus 6. And 24 we can split and write 20 and 4. So look at here, 300, 60 and 6. And 20 here and 4. Now with this you can multiply this way. First write number of zeros are here, 1, 2 and 3 0 write on the right side. Now with this 2 multiplied by 3, you can say in your mind, you can do it, 2 3s are 6. So the answer will get here 6000. Now with this 20, we will multiply this 60. So 60 having 1 0, 20 is also having 1 0. So 2 0 write on the right side. Now 6 2s are 12. So the number will get 1200. Now with this 20 we will multiply this 6. First we will write the 0 on the right side. Then 6 2s are 12. So the number will get 120. So first line is over. Now with this 4 we have to multiply this number and this. So first we will multiply with 300 multiplied by 4. So 2 0 write on the right side. 3 4s are 12. So the answer is 1200. Now with this 4 we will multiply 60. So first write 0 on the right side. 6 4s are 24. So 240. Now with this 4 we will multiply this 6. 6 4s are 24. Now this all numbers 6000 plus 1200 plus again 1200 plus 240 plus 120 plus 24. All these 6 digits, 6 numbers we will arrange in proper order and we will plus. 4 plus 0 4, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 2 7, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 6 8. So what is the number getting? 8784. So that is the answer. 366 multiplied by 24. We will get 8784 liter. So 1 leap year, that means Ramesh stop, he is utilizing 8784 liter water. So students, today whatever work I had completed, please do in your workbook. At the same time, simply don't copy, take a rough paper or rough book, do the calculation in that and then write the answer in that particular place. Otherwise, you are not able to learn the method. So we will meet again in the next day. Remaining part of the chapter I will complete next video. Till then, you take care. Goodbye.